Hey, good morning. It's Donald and Mary, and we're here to bring you your morning weather report from Blairsville, Georgia. Mile 31 of the Appalachian Trail heading northbound. Mary's going to take it away and tell us what's going on for weather, water, and trail chatter today. All right, Mary, go ahead and take it away.
All right, thank you, Donald.
You're welcome.
Good morning, everybody. Right now in Blairsville, it is 46 degrees and fair. We're looking at a high of 56 today, partly cloudy with winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tonight, 37 degrees with a few passing clouds. Otherwise, it's going to be clear. Blood Mountain today, the highest mountain on the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. We're looking at a high of 49 and mostly sunny. And then tonight, 39 degrees, partly cloudy. Winds will be between 10 and 15 with gusts up to 25. Water's good on the trail. Top off at Hawk Mountain Shelter. And then keep the filters warm once the temperatures drop down below freezing. They will freeze and get destroyed, some of the brands. Ice on the trail for the most part is melted. Still be cautious because you can get some patches where it can still be very slippery. And then up in North Carolina, USFS 71 to Deep, 67 and 83 to Betty Creek, Mooney, Albert Mountain, and 69 up to Wyabald are closed for the winter, reopening April 1st. Anything else today, Donald?
Mm, uh, I can't really think of too much. I don't think we're really doing much today. Mary was up in the Cohades yesterday and scored a flat tire, but while she was up there, she got some video, and it looks pretty. It's pretty clean up there
yeah, it
too,
is.
right?
Yeah, it is.
But it looked kind of muddy.
It is muddy. I just think so much water, and because it did rain pretty heavy, and then the snow melt and everything. So yeah, there's some mud out there for sure.
Yeah,
Absolutely. I'm sorry, when I was going up to Springer the other day, also there was some areas of lots of mud, and the mud is slick and slippery too. So you got to be careful.
Yeah, that's one thing about the mud here, man. There's Georgia red clay or the clay here, man, and so it's not really like it's like clay over mud. So it's super slick, man, and you can lose your vehicle off the side of the road, which happens all the time. I've got hundreds of, well, not hundreds, but
we get a lot of pictures.
Yeah, of people off the road, man. They'll come out here in their Mustangs and BMWs and try to climb up to Springer on the dirt roads or off 58, or maybe they came up from Rock Gap or Rock Creek Road, which is actually the road that leads to Hightower. But I have pictures of several cars off the road there, man. But yeah, super slick, guys. So be very, very careful. The other day we had a phone call from a sister, a lady that was the sister of an aspiring through hiker with their friend that were hiking up the approach to Springer. And she was not going to go up there because of the road conditions. Now, if you are going to go up to Springer Mountain, do not, if you're leaving Amicalola, it will take you two ways. It'll either take you up USFS 28, which is Nimblewill Gap Road, or we call it Nimblewill Gap Road, or it will take you up what I call the 6 mile, which is the west entrance to Springer Mountain on USFS 42, which is the Roy Road side, is how we explain that one. You want to go up the Roy Road side. If you go up USFS 28, you're gonna be in for it, man. It's just a nasty road, and it gets tore up, man. Sure like is. Yeah, when it rains, man, and so when it rains, it erodes the roads up near the top. But not only that, that road's rough anyways. A lot of people use it, jeepers, off-roaders, or can't think of the word, overlanders. So, but not only that, there are spots while you're going up there, you'll start to
twist and wind up.
Well, I want to call it like switchbacks for cars, man. You'll start to switch back up. But as you're starting to do that, and you'll get up to a really thin spot in the road. And when people are coming down, most people don't have good dirt road etiquette, and a lot of people will get jammed up right there. And honestly, man, it's just not a good road, not a good place to get caught up. It's just easier to go up the west entrance. It's 6 miles to Springer. That way is definitely probably
It's
So I don't
probably,
even know how
long
many
it
miles
is.
it is, but it's way longer and it's way rougher.
I would say it's probably like 9 or 10.
I would say so, man. I remember the first time we rolled through, well, not one of the first times, there's a bridge down in there, and I didn't see, but the cement to the bridge, like the dirt road was here, and then there was like this huge step up
Yes.
to the bridge, and I nailed that so hard, man. I'm surprised it didn't take the front end of the car out. And so, and there are other places we've seen cars off the road up there on switchbacks,
yeah.
Jeeps, whatever, man. It's just not a good place, man, to bring your vehicle. And so, I mean, if you're used to that stuff, yes, go up there, man. But don't bring your low profile cars, your low profile tires up there. If you got nice rims, man, don't go up there. I mean, it's not worth it. And so, that all being said, guys, I think
I'm good.
yeah, I think that's all we really have to say. If anyone needs anything at all, give Mary and I a call. We're here for you. We get some other ideas going on. We're going to be starting a concierge service for not just hikers. This is not focused on hikers. We have a huge tourist scene that's happening up here in North Georgia. So if you have any friends or you have any plans that you want to come up here to North Georgia, we are here, man. We know this place like the back of our hand. This is what we've been doing for years, and this won't be the first time we've set up people's. We usually just do hikers, man, where we set up plans for them and help them out. Figure out what's good for them, what works for both of us, what's the best plan for the
That's
hiker
right.
as they move through our state and even parts of North Carolina. And so what we want to do now is direct it more towards like tourists, but we're not just focusing on outdoor activities. Anything from casino stays, whatever it may be, concerts, fairgrounds. I mean, whatever you tell us you want to do, we can put together. Anyways, that all being said, guys, let's see. We're going to end it here, man. Give us a call if you need anything. Thank you for watching and supporting Mary and I on our journey. More to come. One love. Peace.